Hello, Oxford. I'm Alan. Drones are a recent technology and have sparked interest in the public through events like light shows and tournaments. Here, we offer a program in which students can learn about drones through flying or coding, called Drone Team. Drone Team offers students a chance to learn more about drones. From 2:30 to 3:30, people can come to Mr. Woodell's room and experience what it's like to fly drones. Many of Drone Team's members came here from last year's coding club, transferring over when it changed.
So I was already in the coding club beforehand last year, and Mr. Odell and Mr. John had the prefixes of making either a robotics team or a drone team. Anything that was already in the STEM field.
I've always been interested in computer science and robotics as a whole, and I was already in the coding club before it was turned into the drone team.
It's a lot of it's either doing manual piloting or doing the coding part. A lot of other people, like in Avon Grove, mainly use blocks. We over here use actual script and coding language.
A large issue for Drone Team is time. The club only meets once a week with a lot of time spent setting up the practice course.
Mainly it's just building the arena. It takes a while, so it's very much just time.
Of course, the drones don't always work as intended.
Sometimes there are technical difficulties with the drones, like sometimes them not taking off, or sometimes the propellers won't work.
Drone Team has already shown great promise as they won their second competition.
I mean, even the first thing of getting into regionals was a huge deal because we're already as seeing this underdog kind of situation because this is our first official year ever doing drones.
We're hopeful of what may come from Drone Team and what it holds in its future. I'm Alan from Oxford, reporting back to you.